Hey guys, this is Satyajeet, and after many requests, here is the unboxing of the Honor Band A2. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. The box has the specifications listed on the back and the price is printed on the right side. It retails for around 20 to 49 rupees on Amazon India. After we dig in further, we get the reading manual, which is quite thick. Then we get the warranty card. We get a proprietary magnetic charger and a micro USB cable to charge the device. The band of the device has a nice texture to it. It has the same lock-in mechanism as the Honor Band 3. The rear of the band has a heart rate sensor and the charging port. Now, let's set the band up. The band has a 0.96-inch multi-touch display which is quite large than other bands in this segment. In addition, it is also waterproof. It also has a heart rate sensor. It shows you notifications and calls from your phone when it is connected to it. So that was it for the unboxing of the Honor Band A2. Stay tuned for the full review of the Honor Band A2 and other videos related to it. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. Have a great day.